Hi everyone, welcome you all to my channel again. This is Sangeeta, a physiotherapist and nutritionist. Today I am going to discuss about diet for weight loss. People usually who watch my video say that Sangeeta, there is a lot of theory in this, please give us some practical solution. So in this video I have come up with a practical solution, that is I am going to give you a diet chart for entire 1 week for weight loss. This diet chart is based on the principle of balanced diet and not based on any restrictive diet patterns. Hence, this diet chart is suitable for all ages from children to elderly. So, anyone who want to lose weight in a healthy manner can follow this diet chart and lose weight. In this diet chart, I have included 3 meals per day and also 2 snacks, that is morning snacks and also evening snacks. Also in this diet chart, I have given utmost important in meeting protein and fiber requirements because protein and fiber aid in weight loss. So without wasting much time, let's get started and see the entire diet plan now. The most common question asked by people nowadays is with what drink should I start my day? People often get influenced by social media and they ask should I start my day with lemon water, jeera water, turmeric water, and the list goes on. But the truth is, none of these drinks can make you lose weight. The overall diet you take throughout the day matters a lot than with what drink you start your day. The only drink that can help in detoxifying your body is plain water. Yes, start your day with plain water instead of trying any magical drink. Followed by plain water, I recommend taking dry fruits and nuts. I recommend taking mixed nuts like 3 almonds, 3 walnuts, 2 pistachios, and few dry grapes to add sweet flavor. You can also take figs called as anjeer in Hindi instead of dry grapes. So now I can read the another question that runs in your mind. Should I soak these nuts overnight? Most of the social media influencers would have told you to soak the nuts before consumption or you may end up with lot many problems. But this is not true. While soaking pulses and legumes before cooking is important, soaking nuts is not. As per research, soaking almonds increase the phytic acid content in them. Phytic acid is one of the anti-nutrient which can interfere with absorption of minerals. So, feel free to consume nuts and seeds as you like. Let your taste buds decide whether you should soak them or not. Let us now move on to day 1 breakfast. The breakfast option that I suggest for day 1 is soya bean vegetable idli with egg curry. If you are a vegetarian, you can take tofu curry. Do you wonder how to make soya bean idli? It's so simple. Just replace urad dal with soya beans and follow the same usual steps you follow to make idli batter and ferment it as usual. Add few veggies like onions, carrot, capsicum, green chilli, etc. to the batter just before making idlis. Slightly sauteing these veggies before adding them to batter will enhance taste. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for this awesome recipe. For mid-morning snack, you can prefer 100 grams of any fruit. It's better to choose a fruit with low glycemic index and low calories. You can pick one among these options: watermelon, muskmelon, papaya, guava, orange, grapes, and apple. Now let's move on to day 1 lunch menu. For day 1 lunch, I recommend taking quinoa pulao, horse gram dal with green leaves, raita, and salad. I will also add the recipe link for making quinoa vegetable pulao in the description box. Please check it. You can make horse gram dal as you make other dals. Try to include any green leaves as per your choice like palak, mustard leaves, moringa leaves, etc. If you are a person like me who hates salad, you're free to sort any vegetable of your choice and take them like cauliflower fry, bendi fry, cabbage fry, etc. And please remember not to add bundis to curd to make raita. You can add onions, cucumber, carrot, beetroot, etc. as per your choice. For evening snack time, I recommend taking boiled groundnut chat. Now it's day 1 dinner time. For morning, you have already made soybean idli batter. You can use the same batter and make soybean vegetable uttappam and have it with chutney of your choice. Now let's move on to day 2 diet plan. You can start your day with water followed by dry fruits and nuts. For breakfast, I recommend taking egg basin omelette. Vegetarians can take paneer chila with peanut chutney. Recipe links will be added in the description box. For mid-morning snack, choose 100 grams of any one fruit as explained in day 1 menu. For day 2 lunch, I recommend taking 2 rotis with chicken gravy. Vegetarians can take palak paneer. Also, take some salad or sauteed vegetable of your choice. For evening snacks, you can prefer roasted fox nuts, also called as makana in Hindi. For dinner, I recommend taking oats moong dal dosa with vegetable kurma. Check description for recipe link. Let us move on to day 3 now. Start your day with water and mixed dry fruits. For breakfast, I recommend taking 2 vegetable adai with capsicum chutney and 50 grams of curd. For mid-morning snack, choose any one fruit as explained in day 1 menu. For day 3 lunch, I recommend taking half a bowl of rice, 1 bowl of cabbage or bottle gourd koot. Koot is nothing but cooking vegetable in dal. Usually chana dal or moong dal is used. The link for recipe will be added in description. Along with this, take 50 grams of curd and 1 sauteed vegetable. For day 3 evening snacks, I recommend taking boiled rajma chat. For day 3 dinner, green peas dosa with peanut chutney. Let us move on to day 4 now. Start your day with water, mixed dry fruits. For breakfast, I recommend taking jowar flakes peas upma with raita and a chutney of your choice. For mid-morning snack, choose 100 grams of any one fruit as explained in day 1 menu. For day 4 lunch, I recommend taking little millet vegetable pulav, dal added with any green leaf, raita and salad. For fourth day evening snack, I recommend taking soaked and boiled green gram chat. For fourth day dinner, I recommend taking rajma stuffed paratha with curd. Let us move on to day 5 now. As usual, start your day with plain water and mixed dry fruits. For breakfast, I recommend taking little millet pongal with sambar. Trust me, little millet pongal is very tasty and I often make this at home. The image you see on the screen is made by me. Take any one fruit as mid-morning snack as explained in day 1 menu. For day 5 lunch, I recommend taking ragi moringa leaves adai. Non-vegetarians can take fish curry with this. For vegetarians, I recommend taking lima beans curry. Lima beans is called as mochai in Tamil. Along with this, 1 sauteed vegetable. For day 5 evening snack, I recommend taking soaked and boiled chole chat. For day 5 dinner, I recommend taking 2 chapatis. Vegetarians can take paneer or tofu gravy. Non-vegetarians can take chicken or prawn or fish gravy. Let's move on to day 6 now. Start your day with plain water and mixed dry fruits. For breakfast, I recommend taking mixed vegetable tofu paratha with raita. If tofu is not available, you can use paneer in place of tofu. For mid-morning snacks, choose 100 grams of low-calorie, low-glycemic index fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, papaya, guava, orange, grapes and apple. For day 6 lunch, I recommend half a cup of rice with 1 cup of dal cooked with palak or any other green leafy vegetable, 50 grams of curd and sauteed cauliflower. For day 6 evening snacks, I recommend taking soaked and boiled soya beans chat. For dinner, I recommend taking foxtail millet chicken biryani with raita. Vegetarians can go for foxtail vegetable paneer biryani with raita. Let's move on to the last day of the week, that is 7th day. Start your day with plain water and mixed dry fruits. For breakfast, I recommend taking 2 rotis with chole gravy. For mid-morning snacks, take 100 grams of any one low-calorie, low-glycemic index fruit as mentioned earlier. For 7th day lunch, I recommend taking little millet curd rice, with mixed vegetable, and do not forget to add few paneer cubes to mixed veggies. For seventh day evening snacks, you can take boiled or scrambled eggs. Vegetarians can take paneer or tofu burji. Here ends our detailed 7-day meal plan. Here are few more tips that you must keep in your mind for effective weight loss. Number 1, you should use only 4 to 6 spoons of oil per day for one person. If you are cooking for 2 people, then you can use 8 to 12 spoons. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep yourself hydrated. At least 10 glasses of water is must. If you feel hungry in between the meals, you can take lemon water without sugar or watery buttermilk. 2 cups of tea or coffee with half a spoon of sugar is permitted in this diet plan, but do not consume tea or coffee in empty stomach or soon after your meal. You can take tea or coffee at least 1 hour after your meal. Do not take biscuits with tea or coffee. I have included vegetables in all meals. Make sure you consume at least 500 grams of vegetable per day. Try to work out for at least 30 minutes every day. Have your dinner early, preferably before 8 pm. Finish dinner at least 2 hours before bedtime. You must have quality sleep every night for at least 7 to 8 hours. Restrict salt usage. You should not take more than 1 teaspoon, that is 5 grams of salt in a day. So, are you ready to take the 7 days weight loss diet challenge? If you follow this diet chart sincerely, I'm sure that you will feel yourself lighter and healthier than before, even if your weighing scale shows just a little bit change. Remember, when it comes to weight loss, patience and consistency is more important than quicker and crash diets. I wish you all a speedy and healthy weight loss. Please hit the like button if you find this content useful, and please do share this with a friend to whom it may be useful. Please don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment box, and if you have any doubts regarding this diet plan, please ask in the comment box. I will be happy to answer them. For more reliable information on health and fitness, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Meet you all in my next video. Good day.